Whenever I'm working with a new server or domain, one of the first things I usually check is which ports are actually exposed. Instead of creating your own port scanning functionality in the code, you can simply call the Geekflare Open Port API and it will perform the scan for you. Let's try it. Open the Geekflare playground and select Open Port. The API key is already configured, so we can go straight to the request. For this example, I'm using this link. I will leave top ports set to the default option and send the request. In a few seconds, the API returns the open port it discovers along with the associated services. That's usually enough for a quick health or security check. Now let's narrow things down. Instead of scanning the default list, I will specify a few ports manually. Let's try 80, 443, 8080 and 8090. Send the request again. This is useful when your application only needs to validate a known set of ports instead of scanning everything. Let's run one more request using a different website. This time I will use this link. The response updates with the posts that are reachable for the domain so that you can compare results across different environments without changing anything else. Once you have got the request the way you want it, click Get Code. Geekflare generates the request in multiple programming languages, so you can drop it straight into your project. From there, it's just another API call. You can run it from your backend, trigger it from scheduled jobs, include it in deployment checks, or use it as a part of your infrastructure monitoring. If you're working with AI agents, Geekflare also provides an MCP server, allowing clients like Claude Desktop, Cursor, or other MCP-compatible tools to perform port checks as part of larger automated workflows. That's the Open Port API. Try it with one of your own domains and see how it fits with your workflow.